Today, I'm heading deep into the mountains of Kashmir for a solo camping adventure. Just me, my 4x4, and the wild. Kashmir is not just a place, it's an experience. Massive mountains, peaceful roads, and nature that makes you feel truly alive.
This sign marks the heart of Kashmir, a land known for its beauty, calm roads, and unforgettable landscapes.
I've finally arrived in Kashmir. Winter camping here is not easy, but this silence.
This spot looks safe and flat enough for winter camping. Wind protection and ground stability are very important here.
First step of winter camping is getting everything ready before sunset. I always choose a flat and protected area before setting up an inflatable tent in winter. Setting the tent properly is the most important step in winter camping. An inflatable tent saves time and energy, especially in harsh winter conditions. Arranging your gear properly keeps the tent organized and makes winter camping much more comfortable. A comfortable sleeping area is essential for surviving the cold. Cooking a warm breakfast inside the tent is a small but important comfort during winter camping. A good breakfast gives energy to enjoy the winter adventure ahead.
After setting up camp, a short rest is essential before exploring or preparing for the evening. After a short rest, it's time to step back outside and continue the adventure.
Moments like this remind me why Kashmir is called heaven on earth.
It's time to head into the jungle and collect firewood for lunch. Dry wood is easier to find deeper in the forest, and it's essential for cooking and staying warm.
Walking into the forest always feels different. Silence, snow, and the sound of nature all around.
In winter, dry wood is the key to a strong fire and warm food. With enough wood collected, it's time to head back and prepare lunch.
On my way back, I noticed something unexpected. A Markhor was trapped and needed help. Wildlife belongs to nature. Sometimes, they just need a little help. Seeing it return safely into the wild was the most rewarding moment of this journey.
With enough firewood collected, I'm ready to prepare lunch and stay warm for the winter evening. Before starting the fire, it's important to clear the area for safety and stability. Preparing the meat carefully ensures a safe and delicious meal in the wilderness. Marinating the meat now will make it tender, flavorful, and perfect for cooking over the fire. Look at that. Perfectly marinated, ready to be cooked over the winter fire. Heating the pan with oil over the fire is the first step to a perfect winter meal.
Adding the meat one piece at a time ensures even frying and perfect flavor.
Each piece perfectly fried and ready to enjoy. Winter camping meals never tasted so good. Bringing the meal inside the tent makes it warm and cozy, ready to enjoy in comfort.
After a long day in the cold,
As evening falls, a short walk in the snow will help enjoy the winter wilderness and fresh air. Walking through Kashmir's winter landscapes feels magical and peaceful. Standing here, the beauty of Kashmir's winter valley is truly breathtaking. Walking through Kashmir's winter landscapes feels magical and peaceful. Winter by the water has its own magic. The calm and serenity make it unforgettable. Reaching the border, I could see the fence and posts clearly. It's a place full of history and vigilance. Seeing the border from above gives perspective on the dedication and beauty of this land.
After a day of exploring, it feels good to head back to the warmth of my tent. A warm cup of coffee inside the tent makes the cold winter night feel cozy and relaxing. Sipping coffee in the warmth of my tent is the perfect way to end the day in the winter wilderness.
I've eaten enough for today. I'm not hungry anymore. Time to rest.
After a long day exploring and enjoying the winter, it's time to rest and recharge. Waking up to Kashmir's winter morning is magical, the snow glistening under the first sunlight.
The calmness and beauty of Kashmir in the morning fills me with energy and peace. Walking to the water, the serenity of Kashmir's winter mornings is breathtaking. I greeted the locals and felt welcomed. Their knowledge about the valley is fascinating. Learning from the locals about Kashmir's nature and history made the morning even more memorable.
Returning to the tent, it's time to prepare a warm fire. Starting the fire, the warmth spreads, preparing the perfect setting for a cozy winter breakfast. Cooking breakfast on a wood fire in the cold morning feels incredibly rewarding. With breakfast ready, I head back into the tent to enjoy the warmth and comfort. Enjoying a warm breakfast inside the tent makes the cold winter morning.
As the journey comes to an end, it's time to pack up and prepare for the next adventure.
Packing up the inflatable tent carefully, leaving nothing behind in this beautiful place. Everything packed and ready, it's time to continue the journey.
Kashmir leaves a mark on the heart. This view will stay with me forever. With memories in my heart, I leave Kashmir, but the journey continues.
If you enjoyed this journey, subscribe to Ahmed Camping AI. The next camping adventure is coming very soon.